You are able to see me, so I also have the right to see you, right? So it becomes quite very much personal, rather not just speaking to the camera. Okay, okay, that will be nice. And before that, we proceed ahead. I would also like to request anybody, all of you are the intelligent boys and girls of the one of the prestigious college. So I request you that kindly name yourself. If you have anybody's name is like Redmi, iPhone, or Realme Pro, then you can put it there like your name. That will be better. Yeah. So hopefully everything is clear. So I'm going to tell you about something about the sutras, right? That's called Sutras of Life, life sutras from Gita. So, life sutras from Gita, this is the actually topic of discussion today. So, this will be a very wonderful journey for all of us for learning. So, I mean, now in teaching mood. So, I request and I hope also that all of you are also in the learning mood. Yeah. So, then it will come very much interactive as well as learning experience for all of us. So if you are in learning mood, so I see here around somewhere around 160 of our friends here, 160 of our friends here. So I request if you are in learning mood, please write down in the chat box LM. Yeah. So if you are in learning mood, please write down in the chat box LM, learning mood. If not, then please you can just you can keep quiet also, and if no problem. Yeah, that's nice. So yeah, I see that there are many responses coming. All of you are, most of you are in learning mood. That's great. That's great. Bajrang, Rivu, Jyoti, Shaumik, Anubhav, Sayandeep. A big list of numbers. Okay. So I had been speaking in this college for specifically this program, and I really like to thank the committee as well as the management who is actually organizing such programs every year. So I had been giving this seminar either offline and online. So 2 years before, everything was offline. So I had been giving offline since year 2017. Various other colleges I had been giving for so many years, like somewhere around 2012. So it's a great privilege, and I really, from the core of my heart, I like to thank you all that you somehow or other you managed to, as well as you actually cooperated with your seniors, as well as with your college authorities. Yeah. So thank you so much. Now let's proceed ahead with our session. So are you all ready? If you are ready, then please let me know. Ready? Yeah. So I like some interactions and some enthusiasm in you all, so that we could proceed ahead in our today's session. Yeah. So all of you are ready. Yeah. Great. That's great. That's nice. So I'm going to share with you all the PPT. So you are able to see this PPT. Hopefully you are able to see this. So welcome to Life's Secrets from Gita. Yeah. So what is this? Life Secrets from Bhagavad Gita. So what we are going to discuss, first I will give little introduction of myself, even though you have already heard from sir, but still I would like to speak some little bit about myself. Then there will be announcement. Then we'll have the introduction of Bhagavad Gita, what's called Bhagavad Gita, because the whole this learning is based upon a book called Bhagavad Gita, which is quite very much famous around the whole globe, as well as of course in India. So I'm just asking once again to all of you whether all of you are okay with English. अगर आप लोग हिंदी भी सुनना चाहते हैं या फिर हिंदी में ही सुनना चाहते हैं, तो मैं सिर्फ हिंदी में ही बोलूँगा. ठीक है, तो मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों बोलूँगा. ठीक है, हिंदी, इंग्लिश और बांग्ला. अगर दोनों हिंदी और इंग्लिश को मिला दिया जाए तो क्या होगा? इंग्लिश हो जाएगा, है ना? या फिर बांग्ला भी मिला दें तो क्या हो जाएगा, भिंडी हो जाएगा. सो टुडे वी विल बी ईटिंग भिंडी, भिंडी की सब्जी. ओके, सो बांग्ला, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, ऑल थ्री टुगेदर. So Bhagavad Gita, the treasure of all knowledge and solution of all problems. When then we have the same, the body of the whole session, live sutras, introduction from Bhagavad Gita, and then at last surprise self-development courses from Bhagavad Gita. So what is these courses? Depend based upon Bhagavad Gita that we are going to see. So myself, Nitai Chandra Nimai Das, I am a pleasure lifestyle coach. So I am in mission of creating 100,000 pleasure lifestyle leaders in India and abroad with positive mind and magnanimous heart in next 5 years. I belong to a lower middle class family from Bihar, and I had been a graduate student of chemical engineering by profession from NIT, and I worked for few years in companies. Then after that, it was my heartfelt desire to do some social service for the society in general. Whenever I used to walk around and see the different difficult situations and a lot of poverty, a lot of like uneducation, a lot of strife in the society, and I used to think, मैं सोचता था कि इन सभी समस्याओं का क्या कुछ निदान है. बिकॉज बहुत सारे भारतवर्ष में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, पैसे वाले हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि चैरिटी देते हैं. सरकारें भी ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ नहीं कर रही हैं, सरकारें बहुत कुछ कर रही हैं. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि प्रॉब्लम घट नहीं रहा है, प्रॉब्लम बढ़ रहा है. प्रत्येक साल सब चीज़ का सामाजिक उत्पाद मतलब सामाजिक उत्पाद भी बढ़ रहा है. द सोशल डिस्टर्बेंस इज इंक्रीजिंग, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज इंक्रीजिंग मोर एंड मोर, एंड सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स. तो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक इन माई चाइल्डहुड, मैं बचपन में सोचता था कि इन सभी चीज़ों का क्या समस्या है, क्या निदान है. सो आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग अ like NGO type of thing, so that knows other people could also get benefit out of it by self employment, uh, by a system by which everybody can be well settled with their life, as well as they can know what is the purpose of life. Yeah. So because people, they do not know why they are doing what they are doing most of the time. उनको पता नहीं कि उनके जीवन का उद्देश्य क्या है, जीवन में उनका डिफिनेशन क्या, व्हाट इज द डिफिनेशन ऑफ देयर लाइफ. सो मैनी पीपल आर कंफ्यूज्ड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. सो देन आई कम अक्रॉस द टीचिंग्स ऑफ श्रीमद् भगवद गीता एज इट इज, and the teachings of Bhagavad Gita like came with me just like oceanic treasure house of knowledge and a lot of ideas. Yeah. So I came across Bhagavad Gita around somewhere around in 2006 or 7 when I was in my home. There many times in my home, sometimes in my family somebody leaves the body, then I used to read Bhagavad Gita. And I used to ponder around the why this happened, and I used to get the answers of all those questions, whatever used to come in my mind in those days. As soon as I read Bhagavad Gita, all that different questions, complexities, confusions, everything gets over. So in this way, at last in 2008, my father left the body, and my father was the first class gentleman in the city and in the village also. He was the person like you cannot find, like it's like all the different vices, there is none of them he had. And he was a perfect gentleman, but still he had a lot of suffering at the end of his life. Then I used to ponder why there are problems, even though with the very wonderful gentle people who having no such inability, there is no such problems as such in their characters. So क्यों इतनी सारी समस्याएं हैं? So then again I switched to Bhagavad Gita. So I got the answer there. So ultimately I found out with the help of some of our friends, some of our seniors, that the propagation of knowledge of what is there in Bhagavad Gita is most essential nowadays. And because of lacking of that only, people are having a lot many problems, problems into their life. So currently I am roaming around the India discussing most vital component of life, which is spiritual component of life. So this is all about introduction about me, मेरे बारे में introduction है, ठीक है. मैं आपके बारे में कुछ जानना चाहता हूँ. Like we have some around 171 of us. So I'm moving around everywhere, and I give out courses because Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the book which is being taught in most of the IIMs, and most influential IIMs like I am Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, I am Chennai. So ABC, all IIMs, they have a compulsory course upon Bhagavad Gita, upon leadership, upon how to live a wonderful life, composed life, the focused life. So like this management sutras. So all the different things are there, and all the different big universities like Cambridge, Oxford, California University, like they all university, they have a separate department upon Bhagavad Gita. And in different European countries like Netherlands, so they have made compulsory the teachings and learnings of Bhagavad Gita. So we have also come up with a different courses, very wonderful courses like Pleasure Lifestyle, Blueprint, then Mantra of Life, then Leadership Sutras. So there are different 4 or 5 days courses also. So we usually offer to the students different colleges, different IITs, NITs, and all such. And we have seen that they have a very like a very effective uh, influence of those courses, and people are actually able to realize the change after doing the course into their lifestyle, into their focus, into their definition of their life. So this is my full-time mission, full-time duty. That's why you can find me here with a very special dress, very special dress. I'm in saffron dress, having hardly any hair on my head. There is no hair, right? तो आप लोग डर मत जाना कि ये पता नहीं बिना बाल वाला गंजा व्यक्ति क्या क्या यहाँ पे बके जा रहा है, हम लोग को बैठ के यहाँ पे सुनना पड़ रहा है ना. सो डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. So if you have come here, then you are actually going to have a very wonderful learning. So मैंने अब तक बताया आपको अपने बारे में. अभी आप बताएंगे. आपको एक गूगल फॉर्म भेजा जा रहा है, उसमें आप अपना आइडिया दे सकते हैं कि आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं अगले 5 से 10 साल में. आप अपने आप को क्या देखना चाहते हैं. So you have to just, there are multiple choice questions. You have to just fill that. Accordingly, we will see. So it will take hardly 2 minutes. Okay. It will take hardly 2 minutes. So only thing is that you have to put your name, and then maybe the other credentials will be there. So which department you are in and where you want to see yourself in next 10 years. Okay. So maybe our friend Indranil sir would send you in, yeah. So Indranil Chatterjee sir is here, who is senior analog design engineer in Tech Mahindra. So he's there with us. So he had sent you one form. So I request all of you that please proceed ahead filling this form up. Yeah. So for knowing that, like where you want to lead yourself in next 10 years. Yeah. So by the time you all of you fill that form, I will have a small little quick Vedic prayer before that we start. Yeah. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्. Okay. So let me see that how many of you have actually filled that form up. Yeah. I see that most of you, 41.4% of you want to be just engineer. Okay. So because you have already entered into engineering college, of course you will be engineer in next 4 or 5 years, of course. Then the next one is 18.2%, 19% of us, we like to just okay, simply engineer. Then we have 36% having the willingness of being engineer and want to expend your time and energy for the upliftment to the society. Oh, that's great. That's great. So Majority of us are the great hearted people with us. That's nice. Then we have a well to do business person with a desire to expand their business all over India. That is 17.4% of all of us. Yeah. So then we have a well to do business person and a social reformer. They are somewhere around 10%. आईएएस ऑफिसर बनने वाले हैं, ये भी समवेयर अराउंड 12% है. और आर्मी नेवी में बहुत कम लोग जाने वाले हैं, समझ में आ रहा है मुझे. आर्मी नेवी में कोई जाना नहीं चाहता है अक्सर. ओके. और बहुत कम लोग हैं जो कि ऑनेस्ट आईएएस ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हैं. और उसमें भी काफ़ी कम लोग हैं कि डब्ल्यूबीसीएस में जाना चाहते हैं. या so we see that like majority of us, we have somewhere around 36.6% a well-to-do engineer and want to experience a better life and expand your time and energy for upliftment into the society. Okay, so that's great. Okay, that's great. So I think all of you have already done your homework. So I'm proceeding ahead once again with the slideshow. Yeah. So let's proceed ahead. So Bhagavad Gita, I'll give a small little references. Maybe some of you have read it or maybe some of you not. So Bhagavad Gita एक ultimate problem solver manual है. It's a ultimate motivational book. इसमें एक व्यक्ति पूर्ण रूप से आशा को छोड़ चुका था. He had already left. পুরো আশাহীন হয়ে গেছিল. সেই সময় এই যে মোটিভেশন, প্রথম মোটিवेशनल सेमिनार देवा হয়েছে. फर्स्ट टाइम, पहली बार ये मोटिवेशनल सेमिनार दिया गया. या और कहाँ पे दिया गया? जूम पे नहीं दिया गया, नहीं, बहुत बड़े वेबिनार हॉल में दिया गया. बट इट वाज गिवन इन द बैटल फील्ड ऑफ कुरुक्षेत्र. बैटल फील्ड में मोटिवेशनल सेमिनार दिया गया. वाओ, दैट्स अमेजिंग. और this is the ultimate source of all good qualities. Bhagavad Gita is the ultimate source of all good qualities one can, if you want to have, then he can have. Yeah. So ultimate source of meaning of life. It can give you ultimate source of meaning of life. It's ultimate guide for humanity in day to day life. मनुष्य को कैसे अपना प्रत्येक दिन का जीवन बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव बनाना है, तो उसको भगवद गीता पढ़नी चाहिए. Bhagavad Gita is the ultimate guide for God realization and self-realization also. Yeah. So now let's proceed. There are many great leaders and thinkers. They have actually read Bhagavad Gita, and Bhagavad Gita had become their favorite book to guide them into success. So there are great souls like Mahatma Gandhi, Aldous Huxley, Henry David Thoreau, J. Robert, Oppenheimer. So Oppenheimer, the atomic scientist, he also read Bhagavad Gita, and rather he has remembered many shlokas. बहुत सारे श्लोकों को वो रट चुका था. Ralph Waldo Emerson, Carl Jung, Bulent Eckwicht, Hermann Hesse, Heinrich Himmler, George Harrison, like they're unlimited. So they are all somewhere around in early 20th century thinkers and लीडर्स एंड इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. और अभी तो इसका इन्फ्लुएंस और भी ज़्यादा हो गया. इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ डिफरेंट नेशन, इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ डिफरेंट रेस, भले ही वो कोई किसी भी जाति धर्म का हो, भगवद गीता इज द बुक फॉर द ह्यूमन काइंड. इट्स नॉट द बुक फॉर पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन. दिस इज द बुक वेयर एवरीबडी कैन हैव समथिंग. सबके लिए सब कुछ है. सबके लिए कुछ यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा, और सबके लिए सब कुछ ही मिल जाएगा. So this is called the beauty of this small little book, which is just 700 slokas. So this is called Bhagavad Gita, the most powerful presentation of the life and the philosophy of life and how to live a wonderful, blissful life. So this is Bhagavad Gita, on which we are going to see what are the things like to remember, to understand Bhagavad Gita, it's quite very much cumbersome. But still today we are going to see the most important things what are actually there in Bhagavad Gita. Yeah. So live sutras. So what are the 11 live sutras we are going to learn? So we can see यहाँ पे देखो लाइफ सूत्र है, तो इसमें से LIFESSUTRAS, तो प्रत्येक लेटर के ऊपर में एक सूत्र है, एक 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 क्या बोलते हैं उसको, लेसन है. देयर इज वन लेसन. So that we are going to see. So total altogether, how many of them are? There are total 11. So from Bhagavad Gita. So L, पहला है L. So I just again want to announce for all of you that please sit with your notebook and pen. Please sit with your notebook and pen. Notebook pen लेके बैठिए, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. Yeah. So पहला L. L means learn to think why you do what you do. पहला चीज हमें सीखना जरूरी है कि हम जो कर रहे हैं वो क्यों कर रहे हैं, वो चीज बहुत जरूरी है. इसलिए मैंने आपसे पहले पूछ लिया था कि आप करना क्या चाहते हो अगले 10 साल में. सो दैट वी मस्ट हैव द फर्स्ट थिंग, दैट व्हाई वी डू व्हाट वी डू शुड बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर, very very clear. So that we must learn why we do what we do. Then second is I, invite the able guide in your life. अगर किसी व्यक्ति को बड़ा लीडर बनना है, किसी व्यक्ति को सही में कुछ करना है, तो he should have a guide in his life, a personal guide, जो उनको उनके जीवन में पग पग पे सजेशन दे सकते हैं. Not just because of he's getting some money, but out of his great kindness as well as for the betterment of the person. Yeah. So to become a successful person, one must have a guide in his life. So that is second. L for learn to think why we do what we do. Second, invite the able guide in your life. Now F for find out who are you. उसके बाद जान लो कि आप कौन हो, अपने आप को समझो. What is your potential? In consequence, what are the things what actually you are made up of? किस चीज से आप बने हो, कौन है आप, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Then comes E. E for enrich your focus. Enrich your focus. Focus हमारे जीवन में लाना बहुत जरूरी है. S for search and kill the enemy. या हमारे जीवन में भी बहुत सारे एनिमी होते हैं, कोई दोस्त होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ दूसरे तरह के एनिमी के बारे में देखेंगे. सो उसको मारना बहुत जरूरी है, उसको सर्च करके उसको मारना है, खत्म कर देना है बस. राइट. सो दैट्स आवर फिफ्थ लाइफ सूत्र वी आर गोना लर्न. देन S for service for the higher cause. U for ultimate solution is devotion. Then T for turn to right choices between B and D. So from B and D there is one thing that's called C. A, B, C, D, everybody know. So from B and D, from birth and death, everybody goes from birth and death, but between there is C. What is that C? That's choose, that's choice. What is our choose, right? So we have to, how we can learn the art of choosing the right thing, right? So you have to, that's called turn to right choices between B and D. Turn to right choices between B and D. So here will be little editing required. So then we'll go for resolve your mode matrix. R for A for ascend to divinity from mundane, and at last share to transform the world. So this is all life's sutras. Yeah. So first one, let's proceed ahead. First one, life sutras from Gita. So learn to think why you do what you do. तो हम लोग देखते हैं श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में, there was a person called Arjun. Arjun, he was a first class warrior, archer, first class archer in the history of the world. फर्स्ट क्लास आर्चर. एक ऐसा आर्चर था, एक ऐसा धनुर्धर था कि यहाँ तक कि भगवान शिव को भी उसने लगभग पराजित कर दिया था. भगवान शिव को पराजित कर दिया था, या फिर इंद्र को भी उसने लगभग पराजित कर दिया था. एंड ही हैज एक्चुअली वोन द हार्ट ऑफ इंद्र. ही हैज गॉट मैनी दिव्यास्त्रस. सो ही वाज सच ए वेल टू डू पर्सन. तो हमारे समाज में भी, हमारे सोसाइटी में ऐसे बहुत सारे वेल टू डू लोग हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी उनके लाइफ में एक ऐसा मोड़ आ जाता है कि जहाँ पे वो समझ नहीं पाते कि मैं क्यों करूँ, करूँ तो क्यों करूँ। उन्हें पर्पज नहीं दिखता करने का, कुछ भी जीवन में कुछ अच्छा कार्य करने का उन्हें पर्पज नहीं दिखता है गाइस। सो ही इज देयर इन द बैटल फील्ड ऑफ कुरुक्षेत्र, कुरुक्षेत्र के मैदान में है जहाँ पे उन्हें लड़ना है। सो एवरीथिंग इज डन, नाउ दे आर गोइंग टू फाइट। और ये पूरी पूरी प्लैनेट का सबसे बड़ी लड़ाई होने वाली थी, सबसे बड़ी लड़ाई। यू कैनॉट इमेजिन हाउ मेनी पीपल दे डाइड जस्ट इन 18 days। न ये प्रथम विश्व युद्ध था, न द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध था। बस 18 दिनों में more than 70 lakhs people they were killed into this battlefield. And there he is feeling morose in beginning of war. Arjuna is thinking that why I will fight, there are all my family men that side, here this side family men, so many people are going to kill. Oh, I'll not fight, no, I'm just leaving my responsibility, leaving my duty. So then Krishna actually telling Arjuna that why you should fight, because fighting is your duty, as well as he gives his real position, real identity, that who are you, and he guides him. So first thing is that always हमारे जीवन में हमेशा एक ऐसा समय आता है जहाँ पे हमें जो मोटिवेशन है, क्यों करूँ मैं जो कर रहा हूँ, वो चला जाता है। तो उस समय हमें क्या चाहिए? That time we need what's called, we have to invite the able guide in our life. We have to invite the able guide in our life. अगर गाइड नहीं मिले तो क्या होगा? एबल गाइड नहीं मिले तो हमें हमारे क्या होगा? डीमोटिवेशन होगा, एंड वी विल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, वी गेट डिप्रेस्ड। तो भले ही हम जहाँ पे बाधाएं आती हैं तो हमें ऊपर उठना है, वहाँ पे बाधाओं के कारण हम लोग क्रश कर दिए जाएंगे। वी विल एक्चुअली क्रस्ड बाय द डिफरेंट चैलेंजेस इन आवर लाइफ। तो गाइड हमारे जीवन में कैसे होते हैं? जस्ट लाइक अ वेरी बिग बोट, बहुत बड़ा बोट है जो कि समुद्र में जाने वाला है, बहुत बड़ा शिप है। तो शिप के ऊपर में क्या होता है? कैप्टन होता है। अगर शिप में कोई कैप्टन नहीं है तो क्या वो शिप सक्सेसफुली अपने डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंचेगा? बिल्कुल नहीं पहुंचेगा, कभी नहीं पहुंच सकता। सो आवर लाइफ इज लाइक ए शिप, is like a ship. It has a destination. It has a destination as different successes. लेकिन अगर हमारे जीवन में अगर कोई एबल गाइड नहीं है, so what will happen? It will go here, it will go there, it will there. Where it will go and crumble, where it will go and just capsize, we do not know. So we have seen many big multi-billionaires has their ship capsized into the ocean because of lack of able guide in their life. And those people, those who are actually able to lead their life very successfully, means we should be pretty sure that they have the able guide in their life. Yeah. So we learn from that I for invite the able guide in your life. So Arjuna invites Krishna in his life. Then we see F, find out who are you. Find out who are you. So when we get to know that who is our able guide, Krishna tells Arjuna that, Arjuna, you must know who are you at the first hand. To whom you are actually mourning, they are actually not supposed to be mourned upon. To whom you are thinking that you should, after killing them, you will get seen or this whole thing. Actually, you are not knowing them, who are they. So first of all, you're not knowing your identity, and at the same time, you are ignorant of others' identity as well. Yeah. So दैट्स कॉल्ड आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस। बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं कि उनकी आइडेंटिटी क्या है, वेयर दे फिट, व्हाट दे आर सपोज टू डू, व्हाट इज देयर ड्यूटीज, विल कम लेटर, बट फर्स्ट हैंड हु आर वी, दैट वी मस्ट नो एट फर्स्ट हैंड। किसी भी लैपटॉप से काम करते हैं तो लैपटॉप के बारे में जानना जरूरी है। जैसे कि इसमें कितना ग्राफिक्स है, कितना प्रोसेसर है, i5 है, i3 है, या फिर क्या है, तो उसी टाइप का सॉफ्टवेयर आप चला सकते हैं उसमें। अगर पता नहीं है तो क्या होगा? गेमिंग लैपटॉप नहीं है, उसका प्रोसेसर नहीं है, ग्राफिक्स कार्ड नहीं है, आप गेम चला दिए उसमें हैवी वाला, तो क्या होगा? बैठ जाएगा, वो धुआं निकल जाएगा उसका, है ना। सो दैट्स व्हाई यू मस्ट नो हु आर वी मस्ट नो आवर सिस्टम वेल। सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम भगवद गीता। सो नेक्स्ट इज एनरिच योर फोकस। enrich your focus. Then Krishna tells that dhyayato vishayan punsa. No, he tells that vyavashayatmika buddhi ekeha kurunandana. So vyavashayatmika buddhi, you have got the focus in your life. If you have got the goal in your life, if you have understood that why you do what you do, क्या कर रहे हो आप, क्यों कर रहे हो, वो पता है, then you must have focus. फोकस होना चाहिए हमारे लाइफ में. तो वो फोकस का सूत्र वो श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में बताया गया है. व्यवसाय आत्मिका बुद्धि, वी हैव टू बिकम इंटेलिजेंस विथ वन पॉइंटेड अटेंशन, नॉट मैनी ब्रांच्ड. बहुशाखा ही अनंतश्च, नॉट मैनी ब्रांच्ड बट वन फोकस्ड लाइक अर्जुन. सो द्रोणाचार्य अपने जितने सारे शिष्य थे, अर्जुन भी उसमें से एक था. 5 पांडव और 100 कौरवों को द्रोणाचार्य शिक्षा देते थे, किसकी, धनुष की. तो उसमें से एक बार उन्होंने परीक्षा ली सबों की, आप लोग आ जाओ, मैं आप लोगों की परीक्षा लेने वाला हूं कि हु कैन बिकम द बेस्ट आर्चर. तो सबों को बुलाते हैं कि एक युधिष्ठिर आओ, तुम बताओ, देखो पेड़ के ऊपर में वहां पे एक पक्षी है, वहां पे एक बर्ड है, उसकी आंखों में आपको भेदना है बाण से. तो देखो क्या क्या दिख रहा है आपको. तो उसने बताया कि मुझे पेड़ दिख रहे हैं गुरुदेव, मुझे आप भी दिख रहे हो, मुझे पत्ते दिख रहे हैं, मुझे फल दिख रहे हैं, और नीचे चींटियां दिख रही हैं. बोला कि हट जा, तुमसे नहीं होगा. फिर भीम को बुलाता है, तो भीम को बोलता है कि आपको क्या दिख रहा है. बोलता है मुझे खूब सारे आम दिख रहे हैं खाने के लिए. तो बोला तू भी हट जा. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को बुलाते हैं. अल्टीमेटली ऑल वेयर गेट्स रिजेक्टेड. देन एट लास्ट कम्स अर्जुन. अर्जुन को द्रोणाचार्य बोलते हैं कि अर्जुन क्या दिख रहा है तुमको. अर्जुन बोलता है कि बस मुझे गुरुदेव, बस मुझे वही आंख दिख रही, बस चिड़िया की आंख दिख रही है, बस और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. मैं दिख रहा हूं, आप भी नहीं दिख रहा. वो बर्ड दिख रहा है, वो भी नहीं दिख रहा. पत्ते दिख रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, बस मुझे आंख दिख रहा है बस. तो द्रोण बोलते हैं कि आप चला दो, बाण चला दो. सो इट गोज डायरेक्टली टू द आईज, टू द आई ऑफ बर्ड, एंड इट शूट्स and pierces, boom, it falls down. So this is actually the focus. The focus is the what's called the cc of your life. कितना cc का आपका लाइफ है. ऐसे अलग अलग cc का क्या होता है, बाइक होता है. तो हमारा लाइफ कितना cc का है, डिपेंड्स ऑन फोकस, हाउ मच वी आर फोकस्ड. सो we will have what's called pleasure lifestyle blueprint course, in which we learn how to get focus. There is systematically process by which we can put the focus in our life. Yeah. So then comes S, search and defeat the enemy. So okay, so we have got the duty, we have to do, we haven't got the focus, but there is a great challenge putting in focus. Great challenge. हम जो करना चाहते हैं वो करने के लिए जाते हैं, लेकिन करने से जाने से पहले हम लोग डेविएट हो जाते हैं. ऐसे अनवांटेड चीजों में अपने आप को लिप्त कर बैठते हैं कि हम चाहते नहीं है करना. That's what Arjuna is asking to Krishna, that Krishna, I want to do my duty, I want to do what I want to do, but forcefully, as if forcefully I am doing what actually I am not supposed to do. मुझे पता है कि ये गलत है, पता है कि ये नहीं करना है, फिर भी मैं क्यों करता हूं, मुझे बताओ. Then Krishna tells that, oh Arjuna, that's your greatest enemy that's making you to do that. That is called lust. You must search the lust and kill or defeat the enemy. Search and defeat the enemy. So there are 3 places upon which the lust sits, and it dictates the person to do anything other than what he actually supposed to do in his life to have a focus. Okay, so all things are very systematically discussed in pleasure lifestyle blueprint, as well as in mantra of life course, the 4-day course. So life sutra, so we have to search out the enemy and kill and defeat the enemy. That's very, very important to proceed ahead in a successful, blissful life. Then comes S, service for the higher and highest cause. Then Arjuna tells it, okay, I should be focused, that's fine, but I do not want to do everything for me. I don't want to be so much selfish. I'm not selfish. You don't think, Krishna, that I'm so selfish that I'll fight and kill so many people. Then Krishna tells, you are not selfish when you are actually throwing arrows on my behalf. You are serving the humanity. So you are actually throwing the arrows for the higher and highest cause. So there, Lord Krishna tells the leadership sutras. So most essential 9 leadership sutras, which is most celebrated throughout the whole world. So which is actually mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. So that's there in lifestyle blueprint. So we'll get to learn 9 most powerful leadership sutras and how to will apply in your life. So it's just not, these courses are not just no, you are gonna go just have one session and then certificate. No, after certificate you will have a different facilitators also, as we have now in with us Indranil Chatterjee, who is senior analog engineer in Tech Mahindra. Also, we have a Microsoft engineer from NIT Durgapur. He is senior software developer SD in Microsoft. So we have team members that helps other like students, like all of you are there, one of them. Like, so to help them to come out from different strata of their like lower what's called understanding to higher level of understanding, from where actually they make their life a better life, and for the world also a better place to live. So here we will learn the most essential 9 leadership sutras, life sutras, as Krishna gives in 3rd chapter. So then we have U stands for ultimate solution is devotion. Yeah. So most usually people, they actually they simply they forego this, what is called devotion. These all things are primitive, we are actually have nothing to do with these all things. But Bhagavad Gita actually also talks a lot of stuff about devotion. So devotion is something that can transform the society, that had transformed society in large in past also, and also transforming now. Yeah. So we can see here the situation was with Arjunas and with Kauravas. Like Arjunas were Pandavas were practically cheated, and they have been made to be embarrassed in every situation. But we see, because of devotion to Supreme God, what happens? They ultimately, what did they do? They were victorious, and dharma was established in the world in somewhere 5,000 years before. So we see, and nowadays also we see there's so much strife, so many problems, but solution is devotion only. Ultimate solution is devotion only. So then we shall see T for turn to right choices between B and D, that we have already learned a little bit in beginning. We have to turn to right choices between B and D. So B stands for what? B stands for birth. सब लोग जन्म लेते हैं और अंत कहाँ पे होता है? डी पे होता है. लेकिन सब जितना भी सारा ड्रामा है, सब कुछ बी और टी के बीच में होता है. लेकिन इस ड्रामा में कौन सक्सेसफुल होता है? द पर्सन हु एक्चुअली टर्न्स टू राइट चॉइसेस. क्योंकि लाइफ में बहुत कुछ करने के लिए बहुत सारा ऑप्शन है. 1 2 3 दरवाजे नहीं, कई सारे दरवाजे हैं. लेकिन कौन सा ऑप्शन को चूज करना है, दैट इनसाइट वी कैन गेट from the book like Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So T for turn to right choices between B and D. That can actually make this journey from B and D a success, a great success. Yeah. So then we have R for resolve your mode matrix. So we are actually in a matrix. Sometimes maybe you also would heard that this whole world is a matrix of 3 types of modes: goodness, passion, and ignorance. Goodness means sense of goodness, passion means sense of passion, then ignorance means sense of darkness. Yeah. So everything is actually being moved by these 3 ropes, the matrix or the network of these 3 ropes, and in which we all are sometimes influenced by goodness, sometimes by passion, sometimes by ignorance. So we shall be learning also how to resolve the mode matrix. So resolve the mode matrix of 3 modes and enjoy a blissful life. Then ascend to divinity from mundane. Srimad Bhagavad Gita also talks about this, how we can have, how we can possess, how we can host the unlimited powerful qualities in our life, like fearlessness, like knowledge, simplicity, purification of existence, truthfulness, non-violence, gentleness, freedom from anger. So these are very powerful qualities one should have into their life. so that there could be a leader into the society. And it is told, yad yad acharati shrashta tat tad eve taro janah shat pramanam kurate lokas tad anuvartate. So as the leaders will be, the people around general will be actually follow. So all of you are actually the leaders. So leaders of the society, as they will act, similarly the other people will also act. So we see, unless a leader have these qualities, they're actually going and won't be able to lead the people, lead the public, and the public will go and doomed. They'll get doomed, and we'll see that so many problems, so many situations, so many different stripes, and so many things are happening in the world. Why? Because of leaders. So we must ascend to divinity from mundane. Then only we can actually solve the mundane problems. Yeah. So reject the mundane, accept divine qualities. Then comes S. That's called summary of all the life sutras. Summary of all. Share to transform the world. So whatever good learning we have, that should be shared with great magnanimity, like with great compassion. So we should share. If we share good things, then good things will increase only. Yeah. If you share good things, then it will not decrease in you. Like if we share, if you have 200 rupees, and if you give 100 rupees to someone, it will reduce by 100. But it doesn't happen with good things. Yeah. So India India is actually not the indigenous word. So this land is called Bharat, या और भारतवर्ष, इसको भारतवर्ष कहा जाता है. भारतवर्ष मतलब क्या बोलते हैं? भारतवर्ष मतलब क्या? भारत जो है वो दो शब्द से बना हुआ है, भा प्लस रथ. भा मतलब होता है लाइट. देश, उस देश के लोग जो कि अन्य लोगों को एनलाइटन करते हैं, अन्य लोगों को मतलब कि अन्य लोगों का उपकार करते हैं. सो वो अंधकार नहीं फैलाते. जैसे प्रत्येक देश अपने अपने चीज़ों के लिए मशहूर है. जैसे चाइना किसके लिए मशहूर है? प्रोडक्शन के लिए मशहूर है. यूएस किसके लिए मशहूर है? वो डिफरेंट डिफेंस इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के लिए मशहूर है. जर्मनी मशीन्स के लिए मशहूर है. उसी तरीके से अलग अलग देश अपने अपने चीज़ों के लिए मशहूर है कि नहीं? पाकिस्तान भी कुछ चीज़ के लिए मशहूर है, अफगानिस्तान भी कुछ चीज़ के लिए मशहूर है. सिमिलरली भारत किस चीज के लिए मशहूर है? भा प्लस रथ. मतलब कि जहां के लोग अन्य लोगों को प्रकाश देने के लिए, अन्य लोगों को एनलाइटन करने के लिए, अन्य लोगों को खुशी देने के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, उन्हें कहा जाता है भारतीय, एंड द पीपल ऑफ भारतवर्ष. या स्टिल इफ पीपल ऑफ द वेस्ट दे गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, they don't find any hope in their life, they come and they stay some time in India. I should not tell Bharat. Yeah. So being Bharatiya, being the people of India, people of Bharatvarsha, we have a great responsibility. We should represent Bharata. So that's called summary of all, that we should learn this, we should know this, and we should actually give to others, because people are suffering lack of this knowledge. There is no sort of anything. There is no shortage of anything. Everything is there actually in full. Problem is that is absence of knowledge. Yeah. So that's why it is very, very important for Indians. That's why a great personality who came just 500 years before in Bengal, his name was Lord Chaitanya. He tells, Bharat bhumite manushya janma holo jar, janma sarthak kori koro paropkar. He tells that whoever has taken birth in India, Bharat Bhumi, whoever has taken human birth, he should actually perfect his life, and he should do paropkar. He should give that wonderful things of India, Bharat, to others. So that's very, very important. So now ultimately we are at the end of our today's session synopsis. Yeah. So today we saw L for learn to think why we do what we do. Then I for invite the able guide in your life. Find out who are you, enrich your focus. So these all are most important highlights which is in there in Bhagavad Gita, and which are being dealt in two different courses, certificate courses. First is called Mantra of Life, and second is called Pleasure Lifestyle Blueprint. So then we have fourth one, enrich your focus in your life. How to enrich your focus, that we will discuss in course. Search and kill or defeat the enemy. Then comes service for the higher cause. Ultimate solution is devotion. Uh, turn to turn to choose the best option between B and D. Then comes resolve your mode matrix, and A4 ascend to divinity from mundane, and at last share to transform the world. So we have this different courses, mantra of life course. So this would be given by the Indranil Chatterjee sir, as well as we have Mr. Ashish Sharma sir, and with me also, and we have Sandeep sir also from Microsoft. The Pleasure Lifestyle Blueprint. So that is also one course, Leadership Lifestyle Blueprint. So we have three major courses based upon Bhagavad Gita, and the different courses, the life transforming courses actually. So that will be very wonderful if you could join. So I'll stop here. If you have any question, any query, you can share with me. You can write down in the chat box, as well. You can unmute yourself and you can speak also. So, and if you have not filled that form, that I request Indranil Chatterjee, Mr. Indranil Chatterjee, kindly send that form again. So if you have not filled this form up, then you can kindly go ahead and fill this form. Yeah. So that will be, if you are wishing to participate in this particular course, the 4-day course and certificate course, and that will be very much inspirational course, as well as a lot of learning we are going to get. Yeah. So if you have not filled the form, you can fill that form also up, and if you have any question, any query, you can ask. So I'll be quite very much happy to answer them. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. So I request if Pradeep sir is there. So we have some questions here. Romita is asking, sir, I have a question, sir. Even after reading the beautiful Granth, why do some people focus on caste? Yeah. So actually, this what is called caste is something brainchild of people those who are actually not well educated in the scriptures. Yeah. So this caste system is actually uh, not something which is mentioned in the Shastras. That's called Varnashram system. It is mentioned according to the guna and qualities in the scriptures. Yeah. So there is nothing called caste system, but slowly, because of people, they missed out and they were made to missed out. They were made to not read these literatures. That's why people, they actually started getting confused. What is this caste and what is this all stuff? That's why they are actually confused about this. If you actually read them, then actually they can better understand. Varnasrama vibhagashah, guna karma vibhagashah. So it's not according to the caste means by birth caste, but rather it's guna and karma according to his qualities. Like suppose once one doctor's son cannot be a doctor just because he is doctor's son. He has to actually undergo MBBS, he has to do MD, then he can be a doctor. Similarly, this caste system is actually not the exact way and it should be actually projected, but it should be according to quality, according to the different uh, activity what he performs. Yeah. So that's the best understanding according to the Shastra Bhagavad Gita. Guna karma vibhagasha means according to guna and according to the activity. Yeah. So hopefully, I think this question would have been answered. So we have some few more of questions, sir. How to stay focused toward our aim? Yeah. So that's very important. How to be focused toward our aim? There is systematically some exercise that we have to do. Yeah. So to remain focused, that's very important. So Badip Nandi is asking. So that will be taught very elaborately in the course, how to stay focused. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि एक कुरनंदना बहुशाखा ही अनंतश्च बुद्धि व्यवसाय. So avyavsayi nam. So before that we have some 3-4 things that we have to be very much cleared up. We must know who are we, what is the things we are made up of. Then we actually we should know why we exist at the first hand, what is our goal of life, what should be our purpose in our life, and actually how we can actually give some contribution to the society. So then the focus comes. Yeah. So the purpose should be defined before, then you can get focused, but that requires some guidance also. Yeah. So alone it could be little difficult. Andrila Bose is asking, sir, when we attend our offline classes, then this class will be held. Okay. Yeah. So these classes, yeah, these are already being held offline. Yeah. So, but nowadays it's because quite very difficult because of pandemic. So these classes will be held most probably, if it is being held, then on Zoom only. Yeah. So the informations, if you want to attend, then that will be given to you by sir. Sonak Ghosal is asking, sir, how to always be in the present and focus on the present situation only. Yeah, that's actually beauty. That's actually the trick, how to remain on present. So we have seen the mode matrix: mode of passion, mode of ignorance, and mode of goodness. So that mode matrix has to be solved. The people those who are in mode of ignorance, they always live in past. People those who are in mode of passion, they always see in the future. They always keep daydreaming. वो हमेशा सपनी देखते रहते हैं. But those who are in mode of goodness, they live in present, and they are the successful people. They are the successful people, living in present and focusing in the present. So that's we require to have to come in the mode of goodness. So how to come in mode of goodness? That's again the subject matter of course. Yeah. So Rohan Devgharia is asking, sir, one question: serve for mankind is same as serving for Almighty? Yeah, it's not like serving to Almighty includes serve to all mankind, but serve to mankind is not always serving to Almighty. Yeah. So Rohan Devgharia, I think your questions would have been answered. Yeah. So youth is asking, I don't know, youth, you can rename yourself. What is the difference between caste and religion? That will be that we shall be discussing further session in one of the session if we have. So I also have already told some little bit about this in the previous question. Akshay Anand is asking, sir, is Bhagavad Gita the conversation between Arjuna and Lord Krishna? Yes, 100% true, Akshay Anand. That is the conversation. Ujjaini Mazi is asking, sir, would you like to share your favorite books to us? My favorite book is, if you like to know, then that's called Brahma Samhita. Yeah, so that's my favorite book. Yeah. Aparna Shukla is asking, okay, sir, when we start our offline class, I think Pradeep sir can tell you in a better way. Sir, how to pay deep attention? So another, again, the same thing, the focus, that is the subject matter of course. Sagar Devi is asking, sir, I have a question too, that is why we leave our right path to wrong path, and that too after knowing that is wrong. Yes, that is the question answered by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. So why Arjuna is asking the why, even though I know it that it's not be done, it's wrong, but why I'm doing it again? Then Krishna tells that you must defeat your worst enemy. Mahashano Mahapapma Buddhi Ena Bairinam. The greatest enemy, greatest Bairi, that you have to actually defeat. Yeah. So that we shall be seeing in the again. That's the one of the objective of course. Yeah. So Romita is asking, there are also many other things that people try to force us to follow, which has no proper base. Some shastra like woman cannot recite Gayatri Mantra, cannot recite. No, there should be a reference. There should be a reference. Like who is telling this that woman cannot recite these mantras? They are not authorities. So authority is the shastra that we must know. They are not the authority. Yeah. So, sir, how can we avoid destruction that comes between our goal? So almost most of you are having the question upon focus. So we'll have a special seminar upon focus. Okay. So a special course, we have Mantra of Life course. In that there is special another section of how to actually remain focus, that we shall be seeing also. So okay. So we have one question. My question to how to overcome fear of failure in future. This is the question for Anubhav Prakash. So what is the how to come out from fear of failure in future? When you start living in present, then you can actually do that. Yeah. So Anubhav Prakash, you have to experience, you have to do Anubhav of light. Then you can be out of fear. Yeah. You have to You have to experience the light. That's your name is. Yeah. So in darkness, if you go, then you will find a lot of fear. किधर से सांप आएगा, किधर से कौन सा कीड़ा आके आपको काट लेगा, कोई ठीक नहीं है. But if you have light, if you know things as they are, then you don't have any fear, right? But we do not know. We have confusion. We have doubts. This or that. This and that. This. What's wrong? What's good? So then there is fear. Yeah. So we must have the good knowledge. Must have clear-cut knowledge, scientific knowledge about what is what. Then we'll have no fear. Yeah. Of even failure. And what is called failure? It's nothing but one milestone in success. That you will able to see when you have this understanding of this pleasure lifestyle blueprint. Then you can understand it better. Yeah. So I think almost all of us had already answered our question. Good morning, sir. My question is how to overcome from fear of failure in future. That's okay. Please explain Om. So that's another section we shall be seeing about Om and all. So distraction. Sagar Dev asking, sir, I have a question to that. Why we leave our right path to wrong path? That's over. Okay. So my question is how to overcome from fear of failure. That's fine. Okay. So almost everything is over. So further things we shall be discussing in further courses if you subscribe to. And now I like to hand over this particular lectern to Pradeep sir. Pradeep sir, if you like to say something.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Prabhu, for your kind word and means, what you have shared with our youngsters. I will request, we are having, how many are still there, sir?
We have some 134 of our participants
Okay.
here.
Okay, still 134 are there. So they must have, the other patients have, I think. And 171 was there earlier. So those guys must have left with their own course. Now, as regards to the offline classes, as the pandemic is over, we are eagerly waiting for. I had said in my earlier class that our home is incomplete. After their arrival, our home will be complete in all respect. So we are all waiting over here. I will request everyone to stay safe, stay care also. Enjoy the Durga Puja, Dashera, Diwali, whatever the all means, whoever having the different way. Take care yourself, but we're all waiting for you. Okay. So thanks to Prabhu yourself and giving your valuable time over here. Thanks.
Yeah,
Hare
thank you, sir.
Krishna.
Thank
Hare
you, sir.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you all of